Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply a video effects to all of your videos in timeline, including the overlay. So here I have import two clips on my CapCut timeline, one in the main track and the other one in the overlay. So by default, if you add an effect, it will only be applied to the main track video. So if you want to make it apply to all of your videos, you just need to do this. So first, add your effects, the video effects that you want. Okay, for example, I want to add the halo blur effect, and here you can see it will only apply to the main video. So what you need to do is click on the effect and find object and change it into all videos. Click on a check icon, and after that you are done. So that's it. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.